With the iOS 18.5 update, Apple has released the distraction controls feature in Safari, which the company showed back in its WWDC event. As an Arc browser user who is used to a similar feature on his desktop Mac, I am quite excited to use this feature on my iPhone. Safari has also bought a similar feature that lets you remove sign-up dialogues, cookie banners, and other annoying page elements with just a few taps. Open a web page in Safari and tap the Options button in the bottom left corner. Now, tap to choose the Hide Distracting Items option and tap OK on any pop-up that appears. Tap on the web page items you want to remove. For example, let's select this annoying cookie banner. Tap the hide button to remove it. You will now see the Thanos snap in action. Apple has completely gone overboard with the decay animation and I love it. Similarly, remove all the items from the web page that you don't want. Note that this feature is not for removing ads. Ads will reappear when you reload this page. To bring back the hidden items, tap on the I button and choose the Show Hidden Items button. And that's all you need to know about hiding distracting items on a web page in Safari. The feature is still in beta, so there are some quirks and it still needs some polish, but overall I quite like it. Let us know in the comments what you think about this feature. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.